Welcome to the installation guide for Kentrol's backside license plate mount for Jeep's TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Prior to installation, remove your existing factory tire carrier or any aftermarket accessories that are using the tire carrier's bolt locations. Step 2. Begin assembling your backside. The larger mounting plate is directional, and its proper orientation is identified by the holes shown. Placing the license plate mount over it should allow no large spaces to be seen. Turn the pair over, and with 4 M5 bolts, nylocks, and 8 washers, and a 3mm Allen and 8mm wrench, secure the mounts together. Next, install your license plate using the 4 1/4 inch bolts and flange nuts with a 4mm Allen and 11mm wrench. Step 3. Begin installing your backside. Gently and evenly pull your vehicle's air vent and remove it. Loosely install one bolt into the backside using your factory tire carrier's hardware. Take the backside's wires and push it through the front of the air vent, followed by pushing it through the tailgate and out the shown hole. Reinstall the air vent and secure the rest of the backside to the tailgate. Step 4. Pull back the carpet from the passenger side until you locate the shown rubber plug. Remove this plug, and with a utility knife, cut the point off until it is large enough to pass the backside's wiring through. Run the wiring into this hole and reinsert the plug. Next, with a Phillips screwdriver, remove the passenger side taillight cover. With a 3/8 inch socket, remove the 3 bolts within the housing and pull the light away, exposing its wiring. Reach under the tub below the passenger taillight and pull down the wire that has been pushed through the interior. Open the tailgate completely to allow the wire to set its optimal length. With a piece of string that's weighted or similar, drop it through the taillight wire opening until it drops through the bottom of the tub. Attach the wire you pulled through to the string and pull the string back out of the opening. Before cutting any wires, be sure there is enough slack in the wire for the tailgate to open and close comfortably and without it getting pinched in the door. Step 5. Begin connecting the wires, starting by carefully cutting into the taillight wiring harness, exposing 3 wires, 1 black and yellow, 1 brown and red, and 1 black and pink. The license plate light red wire will connect to the black and yellow, and the brake light red wire will connect to the brown and red. If you are unsure which wire leads to which LED, use a 9-volt battery to test which light works with each wire. With a pair of wire strippers, remove the rubber and expose both the ends of the backside wires and a small section into the 2 taillight wires. Wrap the backside wires around their respective taillight wire and secure them with electrical tape or your preferred method. Remember not to secure the black wires at this time. Begin grounding the backside wires by drilling into the back of the taillight case. With a 1/16 drill bit, drill a small hole just below either the left or right bolt hole as shown. Be careful not to damage the wiring, bolt holes, or lamps. Push both ground wires through the hole and begin reinstalling the taillight. Loosely secure the bolt nearest to the wires and coil the wire around the stud. Secure them into place by tightening the bolt down onto the wires, creating the ground. Step 6. Before you seal everything up, test the LED lights by testing your brake and running lights. Once again, test to see if there's enough slack in the wire for the tailgate to open and close comfortably. Step 7. While the wires are still easily accessible, consider protecting them with a nylon sleeve or a spiral wire wrap to help prevent them against being pinched in the tailgate. Reinstall your tail light completely and resecure as covered. Finally, flatten your carpeting back out. Enjoy your new Kentrol backside license plate mount.